Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of your BingX application. To log out of BingX, first of all, launch open the BingX application and make sure that you are in the home page. To sign out of your account, first of all, you'll need to know your credentials. If you remember how you signed up and if you remember your email or phone number along with your password, you can easily go ahead and proceed to login out. From the homepage of BingX, tap on your profile avatar or the icon at the top left corner. On the next page, scroll all the way down until you see the logout button. Tap on logout and in the pop-up tap on OK to proceed to log out. You will then be redirected to this welcome page, which means you have successfully logged out of your account. If you ever want to get back to your account again, you will need to go ahead and log in with your credentials. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks.